Hi there, today we got VFD 320 Vodafone, still not opened yet. The touch is broken, so I'm going to remove the screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws, and let's see what is happening inside. So once the screws are open, all of them, we can just stick something, some tool, or with our hands. There is the touch flexi. These LCDs sometimes they are like, printed LCD, like connected to the board, so that's why we have to be very careful. After removing the touch, you can remove the side flexi, power button, and your volume flexi. Front camera is going to come out, so we'll see how this board is, if it is connected with the LCD. It is connected with the LCD and it's coming out easy. If you struggle with it, like now here it is a little bit stuck, so just see there is this couple of locks. If it comes out easy, fine, otherwise you can just heat up from this side a bit. So we put this away because our job is to change the touch, and let's see, it doesn't want to come off easily, so we're going to heat it up 280, 250, hot air station, medium and low to your heat gun, and just heat up this all around. Once it is hot enough, you will feel the heat on your screen that you can't touch it, but don't increase it more than 280. You see, it's gonna come out very easy. There is a strip. We will put the new touch, but I'm not gonna remove the sticky tape covering plastic because we're not sure that this thing is working or not. Sometimes the new ones are not working, so we have to check it before we do anything with it. I'm just gonna put the board back.
Screen, how much will be? Sir? So, my friend, why 400?
So once it is connected,
Look, it's not making. How could I change the screen? Hole is not charging.
Charging unit is changed.
Let me stick it out like a foot down.
You give me.
we'll switch it on just now.
Charging unit and screen also.
Power button is which one? Yeah, bottom
So,
one.
When I will get it.
After the 1 hour.
I think the battery is a bit low. Let me just quickly charge it.
Come after.
So let's see how is it going. It's on. Let it switch on complete, then we'll check the touch. So let's check it now. I don't know if it has a password or not. It doesn't have any password. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 *0#. Everything seems to be okay. Top working. So this is how basically you replace the touch of Vodafone VFD 320. Now I'm going to remove the plastic quickly from here so we can stick it. You don't need to open the back cover, you can just remove it like this. If it doesn't stick proper, then you can use the B7000 or 8000 glue. Let me just peel off that thing. I've tested it, so I'm not going to test it again. I'm just going to show you that without opening the back cover, you can just put it nicely, fit it there. And now I'm going to put the screws and the battery. So please subscribe my channel, If you do like the video, please share it with your friends. Give a like, thumbs up. Until next time, goodbye. I need subscriptions. Please help me out to get more subscribers. That's how we change VFD 320 Vodafone Touch. Thank you very much. Goodbye until next time.